Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to jump into a mug in CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have prepared my video, and if you want to create jump into a mug video, you have to prepare a video like this. You have to record this kind of video. Once you're done, you can add the mug picture or mug video to your CapCut project. I'm just going to add picture from the CapCut library. We can overlay it, so we need to click on overlay right here and then click on add overlay. And I'm just going to open the CapCut library and I'm going to search for the mug green screen. Okay, and here are some results we can choose. I'm gonna go with this one, guys, for example, and we can click on add. Okay, and now the mug has been added to my CapCut project, and I'm going to extend the length like this, and we can adjust the position of the mug. I'm going to place it right here, and then we can remove the background of this mug. We can go to the remove background option, and then I'm just going to use the chroma key feature to remove the white background. We can increase the intensity, and now as you can see that the background has been removed. And let's just take a look at it first. Okay, I think I should move the mug right here a little bit. Okay, and let's see it again. Okay, and if we want to replace the background of the main video, we just need to remove the background first. We can go to the remove background option again and click on auto removal. And then we can go to the background option. It's over here. Then you can choose color, image, or blur. And I'm just going to replace it with image. And then we can import an image from our gallery by tapping on this icon, or we can also use the background image from CapCut. And I'm just going to use the background which has been available on CapCut. I'm gonna go with this one, guys, for example. Okay, and now as you can see that the background has been changed, and this is the final result. If you're still not satisfied with the result, you can keep adjusting the position of the mug and your position as well. And then once you're done, you just need to click on this button to export your video. Alright guys, and that's how we can jump into a mug in CapCut mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.